Hello learners, in this video I'm going to talk about a book which is Civil Booster and it is a civil engineering handbook. This book is published by Civil Ki Goli and this is a review video about this book. So as you can see, the contents of this book has got total of 24 units. The first unit comprises of building materials and construction, second is estimation and costing, third is soil mechanics, and then solid mechanics, navigation, channel, harbor, dock, reinforced cement, concrete, earthquake, fluid mechanics, hydraulic machines, open channel flow, surveying, hydrology, irrigation, environmental engineering, highway, airport engineering, tunnel engineering, bridge engineering, railway engineering, PERT, CPM, and applied mechanics, then structural analysis and design of steel structures, and after that, AutoCAD. So this book is a very concise book. It is very thick also. It has got this is 892 pages. Each and every formula and each and every concept is explained here in a very concise way. Now, after the index, they have given you about the engineering services cutoff, pre's cutoff, and then mains cutoff. What is the cutoff of civil engineering services examination, and then final cutoff. They have also given you about the SSC paper cutoff, and then about the gate cutoff year wise, and what is the cutoff of gate for civil engineers. They have also given you the analysis of each and every paper, like gate subject wise analysis. So here is written over here what are the subjects here and how many questions or how many marks you will get from each subject. Then ESE subject wise analysis. So this book is very good for your strategy planning. Then SSC subject wise analysis. So basically this book focuses on three major and standard examination, that is engineering services examination, gate examination, and SSC examination. And trust me, this book is very error free, because if you find any error in this book, you can just contact this number. They have given you the number, and just tell them whatever the error is along with the proof, and then you will get two books free from their side. So they promise that this book is very much error free. Now they have given you overall exam strategy. What is it? I'll discuss one or two topics over here. So this is important Indian standard codes they have given you in the first chapter. Then first chapter starts with building materials, which is very important topic for lower level examinations like SSC RRB for JEE level examinations, basically diploma level examinations. So first chapter is cement. They have explained each and everything in a very concise way, and they have explained everything in a tabular form. So while revising, this is very helpful for you. In one go, you can just revise everything. Also, they have given you, I just like this, the tricks for remembering many things. So every time you will find tricks over here. And from the exam point of view, they have also mentioned exam point. From exam point of view, they'll give you the topics. And each and every topic is explained using the pictures whenever necessary. So here are the pictures you can see. Overall, this book is very nice, error free for revision purpose, for any examinations you can think of, because they are covering most of the topics. There are altogether 24 topics covered in this book. So GATE is having around 12 subjects. Engineering services is having around 16 subjects in civil engineering, and they have covered 24 subjects. That means if some other state AE examination will include any other subject, they have also included this, like AutoCAD. It is not there in GATE or in ESE, but sometimes they might ask you about the AutoCAD as well. So they have included the AutoCAD as well. So overall, this book is very good. Civil Booster. It has got 24 subjects. You can find this, you can purchase this book from Flipkart as well as Amazon. Now, along with this book, you will get a small pocket handbook, which is Civil Capsule. So it contains just the formulas for final revision, final day revision. If you want to revise the formulas and the important concepts in a very concise manner, so this is the small handbook civil capsule. And they also provide you with a wall chart. Let me just show it to you. This is a wall chart, a huge wall chart. So I think it will not fit in the uh, screen also. So this is the wall chart you will get with all the formulas written here. You can paste it in your wall and revise it every day. So I hope this review video is very helpful for you. Till then, keep studying, learning. Bye bye, and have a nice day.